Hey guys, it's me. I'm just walking my dog in the Bowman Lake, and it looks like it's dog heaven here. Don't you think? Because there's trees everywhere, and Jaxs absolutely loves it. Yes, you do, Jaxs. Jaxs, you really have to sniff everything you see. I mean, really, man. Come on, Jaxs, come on. Come on, away. I almost broke my ankle there. Well, I gotta give the I don't know why, but my dog hates water, but he loves crossing bridges and looking at water. He's a very silly dog, as he is. Come on, Jax, jump! Jump! Good boy! I don't know what I should call this video. Jax's nature exploration?
Nature walk. Come on.
And that's ridiculous how rocky this is. Jesus Christ, I almost broke my damn ankle again. Damn, almost did it again.